Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI P10 Lite and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and here scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's find the reset option. Let's tap on it, and as you can see on the second position we've got the option we're looking for actually, because network settings. So let's tap, and here the device is informing you what it will actually reset, so including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset network settings, and here be aware that your device cannot undo this action, so be aware and tap on reset network settings again. And as you can see, we've got this information, which means that we just successfully did it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.